The Philippines has been ravaged by super typhoons, from Haiyan to Capricorn, and wherever the winds and waves have passed, wooden houses have been torn apart like pieces of paper and brick buildings have collapsed, leaving behind a trail of devastation and sad songs of life. The devastation and the sad song of life. Behind the disaster, the fatal vulnerability of traditional building materials was exposed. The poor housing structure is difficult to withstand the impact of extreme weather. When disaster is unavoidable, we can choose a smarter way. Steel structure bolted space frame buildings with excellent seismic and wind resistance performance become the key answer to reconstruction. Its high-strength steel can withstand hurricane winds of more than 10 levels. Its flexible structure absorbs impacts and avoids collapsing damages. And its lightweight design tends short construction period and helps rebuild quickly after a disaster.